Hello there, people! Do I have another great episode of Drunk Mom Reviews? But this is definitely something unlike anything I have ever reviewed before. It's this magic little device I have in my hand. You might be wondering, what the hell is that, Anne? Let me tell you, okay? This is the Plaud Note AI voice recorder, which is a professional AI note taker that records voice notes, phone calls, and meetings, and it turns them into smart notes through ChatGPT. It's the size of a credit card, people, and it comes with a MagSafe case. So you just snap this puppy onto your phone or computer. It can free you from having to take long ass notes nobody wants. Plus, it will maximize your productivity and decrease that stupid workload nobody wants. So, let me explain to you how this little guy works. You download the app from the QR code and you are ready to rock and roll, people. This little guy has dual mode, okay? So you push the button up to record a phone call and you push it down for an on-site recording, like an in-person meeting or voice memo. Then all you need to do is press the button. And once you see that red light, it will record your phone calls, people, meetings, or any personal voice memos. Even if you happen to be slightly intoxicated.
Remember that I like limes better than lemons in my cocktails. Remember I hid my favorite tequila underneath my pillow last night because it looked like my husband wanted it.
Oof. Oh, those are rough. Anyways, here is where it gets cool and the AI starts to take over. Okay? You open up the Plaud app and the offline recordings will be transferred like magic to your phone. Okay? So not only are recordings transcribed into time-coded text, which is genius, but you can get meeting summaries and generated structured notes highlighting key takeaways. It will also create to-do lists and mind maps with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, we love ChatGPT. You can, don't judge, also choose a summary template, okay, that works best for the scenario. Or let the AI summarize it on its damn own self, because it's genius. So not only do I use it when I'm having important work calls, because I have those people, say calls with the doctor, I literally also use it all day, every day, to leave myself voice notes, because I am, let's just say, constantly forgetting stuff, you know? And honestly, it is so much easier than opening up, you know, my damn phone and having to like figure out where to leave myself a voice note, blah, blah, blah. And the Ask AI feature allows you to search and find previous recordings or summaries and turn them into to-do lists and key metrics and conclusions. Pretty cool, right? Oh my gosh. I just realized something. I know who I am going to buy this for. My son is in college, and think of how genius this would be for him. He could literally like record all of his classes and lectures and have like ChatGPT summarize all of it for him. This could be game changer for him. He can use it in his language classes because it can like transcribe in like 122 different languages. I didn't even know there was that many languages, and it comes in 3 different colors too. I got the silver one, but it also comes in black and starlight. Okay, it comes with its own charging cable, which easily like just snaps on magnetically. Oh, and P.S. it's got 20 hours of continuous recordings without dying on you. It's 64 gigs storage. So it can like record as much as your heart's over here. Your little heart desires. There is free subscription. You can get 300 minutes of transcriptions per month, but you can bump that up if you want to. And in case you are wondering about like data security, you have complete control over your data. And they use like advanced encryption techniques to protect your data. And by the way, Plaud also makes this cool little wearable AI memory capsule called the Note Pen, which like basically does the exact same thing as the Note, but it comes in a little baby small package, and you can wear it on your clothes, on your wrist, or on your neck. The whole idea behind Plaud is to free you from tedious note-taking. It lets you stay in the moment and think clearly. So if you want to be more productive like me, get yours today. You'll be kicking ass in no time. Link is in the caption, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. All that good stuff. So keep watching, and I'll keep drinking, people. Get this today. Bye.